The next thing I want to go over is planning for problem solving. Using a 4-step problem-solving plan can help you make sense of problems and persevere in solving them. Tap on each step for details. Step 1. Identify and understand the task. Read the task carefully and make sure you understand what question to answer or problem to solve. Identify and analyze what information is given. Identify what you are asked to find. Explain the meaning of the problem to yourself. You can't solve a problem unless you know what the problem is. Step 2, plan your approach. Choose a strategy, plan the steps you will use to complete the task. Think about other tasks you have completed like this one and the strategies that worked well for them. Ask yourself, are there special cases to consider in this task? Look back at other problems that you've done that are similar. Maybe they have the same setup. Can you use the same steps to solve this one that you did the last one? Step 3, solve the problem. Use the strategy you chose in step 2 to solve the problem. As you solve the problem, ask yourself, does this make sense? Monitor your progress as you go, change course if needed. If you get done with a problem and the answer makes absolutely no sense, like they asked you how far somebody ran and you get a negative number, you need to go back and recheck your math that you did because something doesn't make sense there. You usually don't go negative distance. Step 4, check the solution. Make sure that your solution is reasonable and completes the task. Does your answer make sense? Does it fit the information given? Would you get the same answer if you used a different strategy? This really goes along with number 3, because again, if your answer doesn't make sense for the context of the problem, you need to go back and check your strategy and make sure that you have done all of your steps correctly. And finally, how can using a 4-step problem-solving plan help you effectively solve problems? This is just something for you to think about, jot down in your notes. It's not going to be a huge class discussion, but I do want you to have some time to think about it. If you need to rewind this video because you missed any of the 4 steps, go ahead and do so.